All right guys, welcome back to This is Australia with Damian and Candetti. I'm here today with Neil from Dario Caravans and Repairs. He's going to be taking us through a handover today of a snowy river caravan.
One of the most important and one of the most fun aspects of caravanning is sitting outside and socialising. So along with that, you've got your awning. This will get you outside in the shade. You'll have a tool to help you unwind the awning. And once you've done the awning, you'll be able to sit outside and enjoy. Underneath the awning, you've got a gas bayonet here. So you can actually put your gas hose for a barbecue well away from your awning. That's really a good part about the Snowy River caravans. You get all that included. Let's go to the locking portion and how the opening up of the awning works. Here we have a clamp that you need to squeeze together on the awning and then slide it up to release that locking. Then you also undo this here and that loosens off your awning. Once you've done that, your awning on both sides is ready to be pulled out. You have your tool that was in the front boot. For the vertically challenged, the shorties, you can use this tool and you'll be able to grab that and put it into there and you'll be able to pull your awning out. Not forgetting that you need to release both awning arms. So come back to here, have a good look, you squeeze that and you undo the knurled plastic. The knurled plastic allows you now to open her up. Up here, you also have this mechanism up here that allows you to open and close it. This is a ratchet system, so one way is open, one way is closed. Then you can put your tool in here to pull your awning out, and once the cord becomes long enough, you can actually pull the whole awning out. Get it right down as far as you can, and then you can come back and start setting up your awning for what height you want. Always be careful in the windy areas. And come back from there. Let's just go to the other end. And you can hear that ratchet. You can see it there, and it will actually click in like that. And it does take a little bit of effort to get it up to the right height, but once you're in position, just a little bit of time. Making sure you're fairly firm. To get it to the right height. You can take your time, get it to the right height, and making sure you're locked in. Of course, you can tie it down with some ropes, some guy ropes. You've got your strap here, which can be hidden away. A lot of the time, you'll just slide it out from that piece there, come out the other side, and then pack it away. And you're ready for a beer. When you're about to get ready to pack up the caravan, you want to make sure you've got your strap ready and you've slid it into your rope track. Try and get the strap somewhere closer to this end because you're going to be trying to do it with one hand while you're packing up. Going back to the reverse of what you did to put the awning out, releasing your knurled piece there, doing it at the other end. Now remembering, you've got your little ratchet there, bit of force to take it up. Just creep down on it, you don't need to do it very fast. Take your time, never panic, but if you're in a caravan park, there's always somebody that's going to give you a hand. There's a little button here. When you're packing it down, you notice that this won't come away, but there's a little button here. You press that button down and then you're able to slide your support pole back into its location. Come back up the other end and you'll see that I'll press that button down again after I've released that. Drops down, and now we can start lowering the annex, ready for roll up. Remember, this is spring loaded. When you are releasing the ratchet, making sure you've got your hands on the strap the whole time. Do not release the pressure from the strap, otherwise it'll roll up too fast for you. So if you just watch this, just a bit of firm pressure there, and you can see that it wants to get away from me. Hold this very firm, keep it nice and flat so it doesn't get tangled. Up into there, and again, if you're too short, you can use the tool there to help you get it up into position, making sure it's all aligned, nice and easy. Coming back here, you can now squeeze the clamp back, slide that down. Don't forget to tighten up the knurled plastic, and you do the same at the other end. Same again, put that down, and that's it. That's your awning all packed up and ready to go. Thanks for coming along with us during this handover on the Snowy River Caravan. We've got a lot more detail to come in the following videos.
Thanks for watching. Bye.